In this video, I'll show you how to boost your Windows audio. Open up a Microsoft Store and search FX Sound. Select this FX Sound. Select Install. Once the installation done, it will automatically opens. On right side, click on the drop down and select the sound output device. In general, click on the drop down and select volume boost to improve your sound quality. And you can select bass boost to enjoy musics, and you have lots of other more options for TV, music, and voice. You can also manually edit these, just dragging it, and you can also adjust it same like equalizer. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.